Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing today? Hope you all are in best of your health and fantabulous as always, and as I always want you to be. Today in School for Elders, I have an amazing story of Gary Heavin. Gary Heavin is an American billionaire businessman, and he's Texas-based businessman. So his story is like this: that he started working at the age of 20 and he dropped out of the college, and by 25 he was a millionaire, and he lost everything at the age of 30, and he was in jail also for certain charges, and he was a bankrupt one day. Then after his 40s, when he got married second time, he and his wife opened a fitness center again, that is Curves. So this Curves Fitness Center has done wonders in his life. Now it is the best international fitness center, and Curves has branches more than 1 lakh all over the world. So, ladies and gentlemen, life keeps on going. So you never know what will happen next to you. So never lose heart, never be disheartened. Life is only for them who think it as a journey. As I told you, the wellness mantra is also nothing lasts forever, right? So he became Ernst and Young Entrepreneur of the Year in 2004 also, and started after 40s. He's a rock star, so you can do anything, and even after getting jailed, I mean, there are so many things. So winners are the ones who actually never quit. So that's what make you a winner in life and successful in life. So today I have a very beautiful, and you may say it's very easy, you must be doing also. However, I just want to give you this wellness mantra: always iron your clothes before wearing it. I have heard from many girls or boys that why should we iron jeans, why should we iron t-shirts. However, if your clothes are crumbled, what type of energy they are producing? Just see the iron clothes, a pile of iron clothes, and just see the pile of unironed clothes. You will see the difference. Now you know why you need to iron your clothes. So you will see the changes happening in your body, and these clothes will touch your body. Even when you are keeping clothes in the cupboard, please iron it and keep it nicely. Your mental world creates your physical world, or I say your physical world also creates your mental world. That's why it's called metaphysics, right? So please, if you follow these small steps, you will see big changes in your life. So I wish you all the very best, all the love in the universe, and thank you so much for sending me love and blessings. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Take care.